Chef Jeremy Parker. Let me just sneak in here. Let me sneak in and tell you we're bringing you a 9.5 and an 11-inch fry pan with a swing lid, meaning it will fit both vessels. And it's all made from the GreenPan Savour line, which is exclusive to QVC. It's also oven safe to 600 degrees.
600 degrees.
Most residential ovens go to what temperature?
500, maybe 550.
Maybe 550, if you're lucky. Maybe if you have a new oven. And Chef Jeremy Parker is back with us. Are those eggs?
Yes, this is a frittata we did there. So again, this will go in the oven with lid. The lid is safe to 400 degrees. It's just silicone, glass, and metal. And the pan, of course, 600. Which means that if you wanted to put this under a broiler and get a hot flame over, it's totally safe, totally fine.
Yeah,
or if you want to do like a Chicago pizza in a hot wood oven, fine.
Like a deep dish pizza or something?
Yeah, like a nice deep dish pizza. And
right.
And everything we love about GreenPan, you know, remember GreenPan changed the world with their non-stick cookware.
Ceramic non-stick.
Ceramic non-stick. So that instead of using those PFASs that we've been told about that are not good for you, this is made with ceramic and diamonds.
Now, when my grandmother was alive, my Mimi, she would call my answering machine and she would act like she was signing her name to a letter. And she'd say, "Hello, darling, it's me." Like I wouldn't know. And she said, "I want one of those pans that you can just wipe out and cook in again. Thanks." And then she'd pause and then she'd say, "Mimi," and then hang up. She was signing it up.
Oh, sweet.
And God rest her soul. She lived to be 97.
Oh, wow.
But she loved the pans that you could wipe out and cook something else in.
Yeah, and that's what this is great. And by the way, as a nonstick pan, these are also induction friendly. A lot of pans aren't.
Great.
And they have metal handles, so this way you know these are the good ones. These are the ones that you want. Again, free of any PFAS, PFOAs, PTFEs, lead, cadmium, all the bad stuff. This is cooking with a conscience. You get 2 sizes and the universal lid. So the lid goes on this one.
Look at that color on the chicken breast.
Yeah.
Or on the chicken thighs.
On the chicken thighs and this side. So you want to get a nice sear, flip it over, and then to cook it through, put the lid on, and that will.
And that's not just flavor. I mean, that's not just color.
Oh.
That's flavor.
Oh, that's flavor, yeah.
So you're getting all that great flavor on the chicken thighs, and we have 3 color choices. I'm getting carried away with the food.
Go on ahead, let's go.
Which I usually do. All right, now, we have this in the Oxford blue, which is kind of the nighttime sky blue without any stars. Then we have it for you in scarlet red, most limited. Just these 2 colors?
Yeah, those 3.
There's one on the windowsill.
Oh.
Moroccan green. We're going to Moroccan your world. All right. This is green, Moroccan green. Very pretty. And 500 are gone this month. And talk about wipeout.
Yeah, and again, this is just the chicken thighs that we did. It'll wipe out clean. So you sear steaks in here. It's a great egg pan. I've got some eggs that'll slide around in here, and it just wipes clean. So you could put this in your dishwasher. David, I always hand wash my nonstick.
If you apply for a Q card and get approved, this is $10 and change.
Oh.
How you doing, $10?
Hey.
It's a little less than $10.
All right.
Maybe by a penny or 2. And because we're going to instantly take $50 off your price. So if you use that new Q card that you just got approved for. So let me encourage you to apply for a Q card. It's worth your while and worth your time.
Yeah, and I'll tell you what, if you want a good breakfast pan, this pan right here, the 9.5 is the perfect size. You can do eggs in there, omelets in here. Do your bacon first. Use the grease from the bacon or the fat from that to cook your eggs in. Add all that flavor.
So good.
It's so good. And you can even do things like this. I'm going to crank up the heat on this guy and do what we call a lazy man's grilled cheese, or a lazy quesadilla, I call it, because you just put the cheese right in the pan.
Now, I once sold a cookbook called Grilled Cheese, Please.
Okay.
And the author said the best way to do a grilled cheese is to put cheese in between the bread and put shredded cheese in the pan.
In the pan.
And then put the,
You get the cheese coating.
Because you get cheese coating on either side of the bread and you get melty cheese on the inside. Oh, it's like a cheesy palooza.
Hello, yeah, I love the cheesy palooza.
Oh my gracious.
Okay, here's one of my favorite recipes to do with these pans. Again, only use pans that are heat safe like these. So I like to sear a piece of chicken, a chicken breast, or 2 pieces here. And then I'm going to do a chick parm, because this is going to go into the oven without any breading, without any carbs. Okay.
So just a little red sauce.
These are just crushed tomatoes, and then
a little salt and pepper.
Yeah. Oh, you want to just go ahead. Salt and pepper that.
I'm part of my reach, chef.
Okay. Yeah, that's okay. Teamwork makes the dream work, David.
There it is. There's a little salt.
Okay, and then let me hit that with some cheese, just some shredded mozzarella cheese. This is why we love these Savour pans that are exclusive here to QVC. Is I can
and
take
I'm glad that you were not neat as a pen with that shredded cheese, because anything that melts down in the pan, well, that's a snack.
That's it. You get that nice sort of...
And you want to pull that out with the whole shooting match, because that's flavor.
There you go. And then here's the best part. When you go to pour this out, you can see everything just pours right out of there. All that cheese, all that good yummy flavor, all that sauce. There's a little bit of sauce. You can see.
And if there's a little left over, just wipe it out, or just scrape it onto the top.
There you go.
Or just eat it.
Just eat it.
Just take a fork to it, or a spoon, and just when it gets cool enough, eat it.
Yeah.
It's so good.
And here's why this is a great set, is you do your protein in one, and then you do your mushrooms in the other side. So it really is the perfect set if you need 2 good nonstick pans. These are the 2 GreenPan put together.
Like a marsala?
Yeah, I just did some sauteed mushrooms over the chicken, like a marsala. Marsala might have a little more cream in there.
You could add some cream to it.
Sure.
Sure you could.
Absolutely.
Because it got some pasta underneath it. Nice.
Yeah, you could do scampi in this, or even, here, so let's do our quesadilla.
And do your quesadilla.
And here's what we love.
With the melty cheese.
Melty cheese, get a tortilla. This is a little bit small, and I might
Here's a bigger one.
Is it? All right, a little bit bigger. Well, either way, it doesn't matter, because, David, we can go like this and kind of grab that cheese and just sort of do this. And you know what we're going to do? We're going to just flip that over.
Oh,
you know what?
Or just pour it out.
Just pour it out. Let me take, I usually get a plate, and I flip the plate. You know, let me let
And
this
you know what?
cook
Let it cook a little longer, and that way it'll solidify to the tortilla. And you can buy low-carb tortillas in the market. I do it all the time.
Yep.
And this is yummy.
Okay, and so again, the large pan is a perfect size if you're doing like a big pasta bake, or you're doing some Alfredo sauce and all that, and you want to do chicken in there. It's a nice large size.
You did like an Alfredo with pasta and broccoli.
And broccoli, yeah. And it's just wonderful. So that's a great size
here's the
for
Parmesan.
that. Okay, a little Parmesan there.
Parmesan.
All right.
Nice.
And then, of course, right here we did, so even if you're browning, here's some salmon that we did. If you flip that over, you get perfect caramelization, because this is ceramic and diamonds, so it's hard. And again, you can put this in your
Rachel, it's diamonds.
Crushed diamonds.
Diamonds.
It's not like a VS1.
Best friend.
But
okay, so that's a good idea. So gift this for Valentine's Day and say, honey, I bought you diamonds.
Wow.
It would not be a false statement.
It would not.
Yeah.
All right, we have chili, we have scarlet red, Oxford blue, and Moroccan green.
Yeah.
Those are all available for you, and that looks delightful.
Oh yeah, I'll put one on top.
Yeah,
here.
put another one on top just to get the extra.
There we go. All right.
Yum. So good. All right, now stay on the line. Remember, these pans are exclusive to QVC, and that is a universal swing lid, swings between both vessels, and the price will go away at the end of day. Be sure and grab yours now. Chef, thank you, sir.
Thanks, David.
Nice to see you.
Always fun.
All right, we're coming up with something brand new from Prepology, and Chef Mark Gill, a member of our Prepology team, is standing by. He's got collapsible measuring cups. We all know the drawer that our measuring cups are in the kitchen, because it's the one drawer that doesn't close. Because measuring cups